Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Epic Games launcher not launching and resolve issue when the launcher is not working.
Fix 1. Run as administrator. Step 1. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. Check if it opens. Fix 2. Restart Epic Games Services. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Step 2. Go to Services tab. Find Epic Online Services. Step 3. Right-click Restart. Fix 3. Clear Launcher Web Cache. Step 1. Press Windows plus R, type %local app data %enter. Step 2. Open Epic Games Launcher saved web cache. Step 3. Delete all files in web cache folder. Step 4. Restart the launcher. Fix 4. Update/repair launcher. Step 1. Open Epic Games Installer. Step 2. Click Repair or Update. Step 3. Wait and launch again.